In a tragic incident on Tuesday, a bike rider was left critically injured after a head-on collision with an electric rickshaw on the Vishalgarh Bypass road. The accident occurred around noon at the Chandranagar Chowmuhani intersection on the busy bypass.
According to initial reports, the motorcycle and the e-rickshaw collided head-on, resulting in the bike rider identified as Narayan Bhomik sustaining severe injuries. Upon receiving information about the crash, a team from the Vishalgarh Fire and Emergency Services Department rushed the spot.
এখানে একজন বাইকার হই নারায়ণ ভৌমিক তাদের গুরুতর অবস্থা কইলে আছেন আমরা বিশালগড় শব্দ হসপিটালে নিয়ে সিরিয়াস ইঞ্জুরি
Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.